like a scaffold that you would put on the side of a building for construction, is the concept from adult education that if you're trying to get your participants to learn something or discuss something that's more complex, or to do an activity that requires them to use perhaps multiple Zoom features, you want to build your scaffold. So you want to start with something basic and then start to add the complexity or the layers on top of that. So that's one reason why I really like to do an early breakout session where we're just doing introductions with each other within, let's say, definitely within the first 10 minutes, often within the first 5 minutes, because it enables you to quickly introduce just the concept of a breakout room. If you're going to use breakout rooms later, the first time for people often is a little bit jarring. They have to get comfortable with, how do I accept? What is it like to be in this breakout session? Do I need to turn my camera back on? Is my room a mess? Like, what's going on? So it's helpful if you give people a very short breakout session, 5 minutes or less, if you plan to use a breakout later in the same meeting, orientation, etc. Same thing can apply if you're trying to work up to a complex topic. Like, let's say you're trying to teach something about conservation. You might start with just a few simple big picture ideas about conservation and then start to layer onto that and work up more complexity.